Model 2018 Ford Transit Custom 300 starts runs engine is knocking no VAT. Body white panel van. Mileage 199148. MOT the 12th of July 2025. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.